People often say that the heart belongs to only one person. I used to believe that too, but life taught me something much more complicated. I love two women, not because I wanted to, not because I was unfaithful, but because life gave me two different kinds of love that changed me forever. One gave me life, the other one gave me a reason to keep living. The first woman is my mother. She carried me for 9 months, raised me with empty pocket but a full heart, and sacrificed everything she had so I could chase my dream. She skipped meals so I could eat. She wore old clothes so I could have new school uniform. She stayed awake whenever I was sick and smiled even when she was exhausted. Growing up, I never understood how much she gave up for me. To me, she was simply mom. Only after becoming an adult did I realize she was also a woman with dream of her own dream. She quietly set aside for her family. The second woman entered my life many years later. Her name is Emily. We met at university. She wasn't the loudest person in the room, nor the most popular, but she had a gentle smile that made every different day seem a little easier. She listened without judging and laughed at my terrible joke. She became friend, then best friend, and before I realized it, she had become a person I wanted to spend every tomorrow with. For the first time, I understood what it meant to build a future with someone. I imagined our first home, our wedding, our child, our growing old together. I love her with all my heart, but loving two women wasn't as simple as it sounded. Every holidays brought a difficult choice. Should I spend Christmas with my mother or with Emily? If my mom becomes sick while Emily needed me, whom should I comfort first? Whenever I stayed with one, I felt guilty about leaving the other. One evening, Emily noticed my sadness. You miss your mom, don't you? I nodded. I don't want her to think I've forgotten her. Emily smiled. Then let's visit her together. That was the moment I knew I had chosen the right person. She never tried to replace my mother. She simply made room for her in our lives. My mother welcomed Emily with open arms. The two women I loved most became friends. They cooked together, laughed together, and occasionally teased me together. For a while, I thought life could not get any better. Then everything changed. My mother was diagnosed with a serious illness. The treatment were expensive. The future became uncertain. I wanted to quit my job to care for her. Emily held my hand. We'll get through this together. She accompanies us to every hospital appointment. She prepared meals. She cleaned the house. She sat beside my mother for hours, reading stories and talking about everyday life. One day, My mother whispered to me while Emily stepped out of the room. She's a good woman. Don't even let her go. I promise I won't. Months later, my mother passed away peacefully. The world suddenly felt empty. At the funeral, I struggled to stand. Emily stood beside me the entire time, holding my hand without saying a word. Sometimes silence is the greatest comfort. Years have passed since then. I still miss my mom every single day. There are moments when I instinctively reach for my phone, waiting to call her, only to remember she's no longer here. I still hear her voice in my memories. I still remember her warm hugs. I still carry her lesson with me. And every time I accomplish something, I quietly whispers, I hope you're proud of me, Mom. Emily and I eventually married. Before our wedding ceremony began, we placed a single white rose on the empty front row seat reserved for my mom. She couldn't be there in person, but she was present in every heartbeat. Today, people sometimes ask me, who was the greatest love of your life? I smile. I can't choose. One woman taught me how to live, and the other taught me how to keep living after loss. One gave me unconditional love from the day I was born. I love two women. One is my memories, and the other one walked beside me. And because of them both, I have become the man I am today.